Hey people, so we are back at this place called what is it called, Ayush? Uh,
Cakes Coffee Cup.
yes, and this place is near Bachpally.
Brennan know I had a mustache.
Yeah, chocolate mustache. Look at this young man, chocolate French beard. So this is how the restaurant looks, and we are waiting for our
Noodles.
noodles to come. And Ayush, how did you like the brownie?
Not that great, but it's okay. But the donut
Is good.
good.
Yeah, so actually we were meant to go to some other restaurant, but Ayush wanted to come back here, so that's why we are here. So what is
I'm
the name
sorry
of
I
the
broke.
yeah, what is the name of the restaurant again?
Cakes Coffee Cup.
Yeah, that's
And
how.
I got it
that's
right.
that's right. So it's a short video, and once the noodles come we'll do another video. So on that note,
Thanks for watching.